Oh, that's so bright. We're out at Fire Island and we're on the back porch with Madeline and Pete. Hi, Pete. What? Madeline. Ooh. Paul's blowing bubbles. And Betsy is doing the laundry. Show off your belly, Betsy. Ooh, there's a baby in there.
Oh, look.
And there's 2 babies down here.
Wobbles. Wobbles.
Say bubble, Pete. Pete.
Where are you going, Pete? Ah! What's this, Pete? Who's Pete the Destroyer? Who's the Destroyer? Oh, big yawn for the Destroyer. Pete, look at my giant tower. Maddie's gonna knock it over.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maddie the Destroyer.
Oh, she's taking the title.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Ooh, you sexy thing. All right. I know, she doesn't like to be in the pool. She just likes
play.
That's okay.
Yes. Are you showing off?
On your chaise lounge.
Yes, on your chaise lounge. You're showing off. Maddie's coming to see you. You can share. There's plenty of room on that chair for the 2 of you. The bubble factory.
Okay, I think this film is long enough. Everybody say goodbye to the camera.
Can you wave bye-bye, Pete?
Bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Say bye-bye, Betsy.